What about it, guys? So I'm back. I took a little hiatus, but I'm ready to start working on some outboards, mainly because I got a storage unit full of them and I got to get rid of them. I tried to offload them on T-Mike, on T-Mike's vintage outboard. I tried to offload them on him, but his wife got in the way. So yeah, alas, I got a storage unit full of outboards, and you're gonna watch me restore as many of them as I can and probably sell them. So if you're in the North Alabama area, be watching Facebook Marketplace and you might see one. Probably gonna sell them for a deal for sure. But that being said, I got 18 horsepower, I got 10 horsepower. I got some Mercuries, if you wanna look here. I got some Mercury 20 horsepower. Look at all that dust. See, that's what we're trying to fix. I got a 25 horsepower Mercury right there, and there is a, what is that? I believe that is a 20 horsepower Johnson, but not 100% certain. Doesn't say it. But anyway, I got a bunch of outboards. This is only the beginning. I got a whole storage unit full of them and I got to get rid of them. So, first video I'm going to be doing is a Johnson QD 20, I think a 1959, 10 horsepower, Golden Jubilee. So it's not a Johnson, it's an Evinrude. But anyways, let me know in the comments below what you want to see. Do you want to see everything that has to do? You want to see power head removals? Do you just want to look at fuel pump conversions, lower unit rebuilds, carburetor timing, carburetor settings, low speed, high speed needle, points, magneto stuff, full-blown power head removal? What I'm not going to show you is how to rebuild the power head from scratch, like replace the cylinders, do the rings and all that, because you can still find good power heads on eBay for, well, the money just doesn't justify the time right now, at least. But let me know in the comments below if you want to see a full power head rebuild, like from the ground up. Is that something you're interested in? We'll look into it. So that's what's coming. So make sure to hit the like button below, the subscribe button. That helps this channel out, helps it grow. And make sure to check out my other channel. That's what I've been taking a hiatus for, is to build my other channel, which is coming rather slowly. So go give it a like and a subscribe. It's called Rocket City Outdoors. I make custom bass boat and marine equipment. So go check that out, rocketcityoutdoors.com too. As always, everything's in the video description. That's what all the YouTubers say. So that's where we put the things. Go check that out. And thanks for watching. Let me know what you want to see coming up in the video comments. Thanks.